Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Electrolysis of molten lithium chloride might look scary, but we can solve this quickly by following 3 simple steps to find the current. Let's go! First, we identify the electron flow in the wire. Since oxidation occurs at the anode and reduction at the cathode, electrons move from the right electrode toward the left lithium electrode. Next, we combine the half reactions to get our balanced net ionic equation. 2 moles of liquid lithium ions react with 2 chloride ions to produce solid lithium and chlorine gas. Boom! Convert 0.18 grams of lithium to moles, then to coulombs, and divide by time to get 0.078 amps. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.